Hello people, so once again you're welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today without much further ado, I'll be sharing with you a live withdrawal from my USDT mining platform over here. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you how you basically register, deposit and withdraw over here. So I'll be proceeding with the withdrawal first over here. So let me do my commission so that I'll end my withdrawal over here. So I'll just click on the commission over here. Then you see the process and I'll go to finish. I'll just click on the finish button over here, so it will load right here for me. So I'll just click on the home button over here. So after here, you see my balance has increased from 49.9 to 51.1 over here. So I'll just click on my withdrawal button over here. So guys, as you can see from here, I'm having a total balance of 2.10 USDT, $2 and 10 USDT over here, which I'm about to withdraw over here. So guys, for me to withdraw, I only need to input my withdrawal amount over here, which is 2.10 over here. Then I will type in my password over here. So guys, that's my password over there. So I'll just click on the confirm button over here to confirm my withdrawal. So let me proceed. So guys, it says withdrawal has been succeeded. So guys, whilst I'm waiting for my withdrawal in my Binance account, let me show you how you basically register a new account on this platform. So in order for you to register a new account, just open my description box. Kindly click on the sign up button or the sign up link in my description box so that you could be able to register a new account. So first of all, let me log out my account for you guys to see how the registration is being done. So guys, you need to just use my referral link in the description box so that you could be able to sign up a new account. So over here, you just type in your email, your password, your security password, and input any information on your WhatsApp or your Telegram over here. The invitation code is also really important, so you need to include the invitation code. So in order for you to include it, you just need to use my referral link in the description box below. So I already have an account. I'll just click on the sign in button over here. So for me, it's a real quick one over here. So guys, I'll just type in my email real quick over here. And I'll just log in. Guys, as you can see, login success over here. Guys, as you can see, I have one notification over here which says my withdrawal has been proceeded. My withdrawal has been succeeded over here. So guys, boom, I've confirmed my withdrawal over here. I've confirmed it. I've confirmed my withdrawal over here. So guys, let me check from my Binance account over here. So I'll just click on my wallet over here and I'll need to refresh. I'll just need to refresh. Okay, so boom guys, my balance has increased from 15 to 17 US dollars over here. So guys, let me show you the amount that I withdraw. So guys, this is the amount over here, 2.10 USDT over here, and as you can see from here, I just withdrew a total amount of 2.10 over here, and as you can confirm from here, I have 2.10 over here guys. So guys, this is my withdrawal proof over here. So guys, that's how you basically register, deposit, and if you want to deposit also, you just need to click on the deposit button over here. You click on the deposit button, then you copy this address over here, go back to your Binance account, then you proceed with your deposit over here. After that, you click on the recharge completed to finish your deposit. So guys, in order for you to complete your missions to get commission, you just need to click on the mission over here, then you complete your mission. For me now, I'm not having any mission to complete because I've already completed them all. So guys, that's how you basically need to do in order to earn on this platform. And also you can share with your friends and family by clicking on the star over here. So we just click on it and the referral link pops up over here. Then we copy it, we share with our friends and family and on social media platforms so that we could be able to earn more from our referral link. So guys, once again, if you love my videos, just give me thumbs up and also don't forget to smash the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all once again for watching Crypto Denzel TV. Bye.